What to expect when buying a home. Hi, I'm Lisa Bognuda with Lifestyle Homes by Lisa. So let's start here. Purchasing a home is most likely going to be one of the largest investments in your life. You need an experienced professional to walk you through each phase to ensure your best interest is protected. I've been in the industry many years and I've assisted a lot of buyers over the years. Here's how I will help you. First, I will make sure you're qualified to purchase a home. You'll know things like what type of loans you can qualify for and what the full payment will be, including interest, taxes, and insurance. Once I know you're qualified, we'll go house hunting and make sure that you're fully aware of the neighborhoods, the schools, and anything else that could probably be problematic with the area or the home that could affect the value of where you're looking. Then I will help you negotiate an offer in a way that is beneficial for you and the seller. Once it's accepted, we open up the escrow, give them the initial deposit, and start scheduling inspections and the appraisal. We are very diligent about making sure we don't miss any contractual deadlines so that you keep your deposit safe and you won't be at risk of losing it. It is super important after inspections to know what is customary to ask for and what is not from the seller. We will be in constant communication with all the parties in the transaction to ensure that your best interest is covered and that we will close on time. There are so many moving parts to a transaction and I could be here for hours telling you about it. So better yet, give me a call and I will become your trusted advisor, walking you through the steps and ensuring you make the right decision all the way until we give you the keys to your home. And then hopefully we become friends doing it. And don't forget, most of the time the seller pays my fees, so it doesn't cost you anything to utilize my service. But I can guarantee you it will cost you if you don't have proper representation from an experienced professional who's on your side, on your team. Give me a call. Let's see how I can help you get into your new home. I am Lisa Bognuda with Lifestyle Homes by Lisa, and as always, I'm bringing you results that move you.